In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Printify account. We'll walk through the verification process from start to finish so you can complete your registration with confidence. Verification is a quick, one-time step that confirms you own the email address tied to your account, and it's required to finish signing up. Start by heading to the official Printify sign-up page in your web browser. Make sure you're on the legitimate site. Look for the secure lock icon in the address bar and avoid third-party links. Keeping the sign-up page open in one tab and your email inbox open in another will make this process smoother. Next, create your account by entering the email address you want associated with Printify and setting a strong, unique password. Use an email you can access right now, since you'll need it to verify. Review any terms presented on the form, then submit to create your account. Don't share your password with anyone, and avoid using the same password you use on other services. Now, switch to your email inbox. The verification message from Printify usually arrives within a minute or two, but it can sometimes take a little longer. If you don't see it, refresh your inbox, check your spam or junk folder, and look in any promotions or updates tabs your email service might use. You can also search your inbox for the word Printify to bring it up quickly. Open the email from Printify and take a moment to confirm it looks legitimate. It should clearly indicate it's a verification message and include a button or link to confirm your email. Be cautious with any message that looks suspicious or asks for personal information beyond this simple confirmation. Click the Confirm Email or Verify Email button in the message. This will open a new tab in your browser. If the button doesn't work, copy the verification link from the email and paste it into your browser's address bar. Keep the same browser session you used to sign up open to avoid any login confusion. Once the link loads, your account will be marked as verified. You'll typically see a confirmation screen or be redirected to your dashboard. At this point, your registration is complete and you can continue setting up your Printify experience without interruption. To recap, email verification is required to finish account registration. If the email doesn't arrive right away, give it a minute, check your spam or junk folders, and make sure you entered the correct address during sign-up. That's it. Your Printify account is now verified and ready to use.